Hey everyone. Just to kill some time, I have created this IG follow and follow bot, Instagram follow and follow bot, and it follows the main Instagram page, and you can actually make some customization. I will show you the process. But before that, this is like an installation video. If you want to use it on your own machine locally, you can use it. Some prerequisites are that you need to install Node.js, and VS Code or a code editor will be beneficial, but if not, then it's fine as well. But Node.js software is important. You must have it because we are going to use npm for some packages. So first you need to go to this repository, and you can also follow my account if you want to. I do create some, pieces like this, and you have to go to this repository link. The link will be in the description. Now after this repository, so when you are on this repository, you need to click on code, and you need to copy this git link. After going through the folder, and you have to open the terminal. In terminal, you need to write the command as git clone, and then the link that you have copied, the git link. Now hit enter. It will create the folder of the repository, and this is the IG follow and follow bot. It will have all the things that are provided in the repository. Now you need to open the terminal, not actually terminal, but we can open it via code, open with code. So this is the text editor or a code editor. If you don't have it, you can install it. If you don't want to install it, then it's fine as well, because there are some changes that we need to do. Yes. So now the first command you need to write is npm install. It's going to install all the dependencies and packages that are used or that we have to use. So this is the first thing. When this is done, now you need the second part is now you need to create an .env file, because .env file will have your credentials. So you need to create .env file. Now you need to copy everything from here to this env. Now the base URL has to be your Instagram. So https, well, you can skip this www, but I'll just give it for the security. Instagram.com, and this is your base URL, and the page that you want to follow again and again, that will be your Instagram/Instagram, right? Now you need to provide your IG username. In my case, in the installation, well, in my case, in the test run, I have created an dummy account just for the process, and you also have to provide your IG password. Now you might be thinking that this is not a safe place. Actually it is. You can go through the code, and I'm not saving any password or sending any password to somewhere, so you can definitely use it. But if you don't want to do it, then you can, I mean, if you want to try, you can definitely try this Instagram bot. And these are the reputations. I have given a comment that if you want to increase the reputation, then it can be risky, so 3 is the best count. Now when everything is done, all you need to do is just type the command npm start. Obviously it won't be starting in this case because we haven't provided the username and password, so I'm going to end the process. Yeah, so it's ended, but in your case you have to provide the username and the password. Now, at first time, it's going to give you a notification at your Instagram account that someone from, this PC has tried to, not this PC, actually your PC has tried to log in your account. Now you have, at that point in your Instagram account, you have to say that this was me. And then Instagram will be like, okay, this was you. So there is no security loophole in our system, and you can make these logins again and again, and it won't be an issue. And it can take some times. I will not recommend increasing it to any higher number. It can be just 3 5, and that's enough. So yeah, that's the process, and you can use it. If you have any issues, if you are facing any issue, then you can definitely write an issue. And if you have anything to contribute, then you can make a pull request. Obviously you have to fork it and pull request, and make sure to start the repository as well. So yeah, that was the installation video. I hope it's fine. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram. Okay.